Today is Wednesday, March 27th. The time is 6:53 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Crown Royale football break, break number 8. Good luck, everybody. Bengals, Jermaine Gresham. (2012) Panini Crown Royale Rookie Silhouette Silver Redemption, Nick Foles, Eagles. Fred Jackson, serial numbered 123 out of 149 for the Bills. Michael Vick, Eagles. Majestic Motion, Hakeem Nicks. Field Force, London Fletcher, serial number 3 out of 10. Rookie Royalty, Patch, Giants, Ruben Randall, serial number 42 out of 49. Bengals Rookie, Vantage Perfect, serial numbered 180 out of 399. Vikings, Christian Ponder. Eagles, Pivotal Players, Deshaun Jackson. Steelers, Antonio Brown. Redemption, Rookie Silhouette, card number 280, Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Nice hit for the Seahawks. Chargers, Robert Meacham, serial number 65 out of 149. Dolphins, Anthony Fasano. NFL Regime, Eli Manning, Giants. And the last pack, New England Patriots, Chandler Jones, serial number 18 out of 99. Packers, Rookie Autograph, Mark Tyler, serial number 28 out of 245. Lions, Kylie Reef, serial number 294 out of 399. Redskins, Roy Halou Jr. And the last card, Field Force, Ed Reed, Baltimore Ravens. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for football box breaks, I have 2012 Panini Limited. Posting tonight, I'll be posting the brand new 2012 Topps Valor. Also listed for baseball box breaks, 2011 Panini Limited. And for hockey box breaks, 2012, 2013 Panini Limited. We'll be posting additional box breaks throughout the week.